Good morning, Dave from Pioneer Truck Service, coming to you on a beautiful, sunny but brisk Monday morning on Long Island, and I really hope your week is starting off well. You got a minute? So each year, the Bethpage Federal Credit Union runs surveys to decide who they feel is the best of Long Island in several different business categories. This year, it has been brought to my attention that Pioneer Truck Service has been nominated as Best Truck Repair Shop on Long Island. I think this would be such a cool thing for our employees to be recognized as the best of Long Island for all their hard work that they put in day after day, making sure that people's trucks are on the road safe and reliable, and we're making it as easy as possible for people to concentrate on their own businesses. So if you feel that we are the best truck repair shop on Long Island, click below and vote for us. If you think that there's something we could do better, I would like you to message me. I will give you a call back and we can discuss it. So have a great week. Have a great start to your holiday season, and I'll see you all soon.